question from indices. We're asked to find a plus b, given that 2 over 3 all power a into 3 over 4 all power b is equal to 2, 5, 6 over 7, 2, 9. Yes, I'm here with my calculator too. So solution. Now look at this. We're going to have 2 over 3 power a times 3 over 4 power b is equal to 2, 5, 6 over 7 to 9. And of course, this is the same thing as saying 2 raised to the power a over 3 raised to the power a times 3 raised to the power b over 4 raised to the power b is equal to 256 over 729. 729. Yes. Now here we have 2 power a over 4 power b dot 3 power b over 3 power a to be equal to 256 over 729. Yeah. Now let's see what we can factor out of this. This is 2 power a over 2 raised to the power 2b times 3 power b over 3 raised to the power a is equal to, okay, let me check something. 256 is said that 2 exponents, okay, sorry, 2 raised to the power 8 is 256. So I can put 2 raised to the power 8 all over 3 exponent 6, 3 raised to the power 6. 3 power 6 is this. So with this, according to principle of indices, we can have 2 power a minus 2b dot 3 power b minus a is equal to, this can be the same thing as 2 raised to the power 8 times 3 raised to the power minus 6. Yes, that is it. And what do you need to do? You equate similar terms. And that means you equate this to this, and you equate this to this. So this implies that 2 raised to the power a minus 2b is equal to 2 raised to the power 8. Eliminate the bases, they are same, equate the power. Therefore, a minus 2b equal to 8 is our equation. Our equation 1. Now the same thing is applicable. You have secondly, 3 raised to the power b minus a equal to 3 raised to the power minus 6. So this will imply that b minus a equal to minus 6. Multiply through by minus 1. This implies that b minus b plus a is equal to 6. That is the same thing as a minus b is equal to 6, equation 2. Now we have been able to obtain the two equations. And what are the two equations we have? Look at this. The two equations. Equation 1 said that a minus 2b is equal to 8. That's our equation 1. And equation 2 says a minus b is equal to 6, equation 2. Now we can use elimination method. So let me say equation 1 minus equation 2. This minus this is 0. Minus this minus this minus b is equal to 8 minus this is what? 2. This implies that b is equal to minus 2. And of course, substituting b equal to minus 2 into any of the equation, let me say into equation 2, we have a minus b equal to 6. This will now give us that a minus into minus 2 is equal to 6. Yes, because b is minus 2. So we should have a plus 2 equal to 6. So a equal to 6 minus 2. A is equal to 4. A is equal to 4. But the question now, okay, let me put hence a equal to 4 and b equal to minus 2. But the question said that we should find a plus b. Therefore, a plus b implies 4 plus bracket minus 2. Of course, that is now 4 minus 2, and the final answer will be 2. So that is why option C is correct. So we'll mark option C. So that is how to go about this very indicial question. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.